Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular Wi-Fi systems, the eero Beacon and the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi System. We'll be evaluating these products in various categories to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. But before we get started, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Now, let's dive into the comparison. When it comes to coverage, both the eero Beacon and the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi System offer excellent performance. The eero Beacon is designed to expand your existing eero network, ensuring reliable Wi-Fi throughout your entire home. With the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi System, you can enjoy up to 4,500 square featuring of fast and reliable Wi-Fi coverage. So, whether you have a small apartment or a large house, both products have you covered. Setting up your Wi-Fi system shouldn't be a hassle. With the eero Beacon, it's as simple as plugging it into any wall outlet and following the steps on the eero app. The Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi System also offers an easy setup process, guided by their user-friendly app. So whether you're tech-savvy or a beginner, both products make it effortless to get your Wi-Fi up and running. If you're looking to integrate your Wi-Fi system with your smart home devices, both the eero Beacon and the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi System have you covered. The eero Beacon works seamlessly with Alexa-enabled devices, allowing you to easily manage Wi-Fi access for network profiles. Similarly, the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi System supports Alexa integration, giving you convenient control over your network. So whether you're a smart home enthusiast or just want to make the most of your devices, both products offer great compatibility. Keeping your Wi-Fi system up to date with the latest features and security patches is crucial. Both the eero Beacon and the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi System offer automatic software updates, ensuring that you always have the latest improvements. Additionally, they prioritize online security and provide additional network management features. Although the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi System offers these features through a separate subscription, so both products are committed to keeping your network safe and secure. As your needs change, you may want to expand your Wi-Fi system. The eero Beacon requires an existing eero network and allows you to add as many beacons as you need to maximize coverage. With the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi System, you have the flexibility to easily expand your network by adding other eero products, thanks to their cross-compatibility. So whether you need additional range or want to customize your setup, both products offer great expansion options. And that concludes our comparison of the eero Beacon and the Amazon eero Mesh Wi-Fi System. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.